Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School, Vasai. Myself Shikta Pete, French teacher. This is a video for class 8th, chapter number 6, Les loisirs de Nathalie, meaning the hobbies of Nathalie. So let's begin. Video part 1. Lesson 6, Les loisirs de Nathalie, meaning the hobbies of Nathalie. So before starting on to the chapter, we'll be doing some expressions which are being used using the verb faire. Faire du sport. Okay, now this will be included in a grammar part. The verb faire has two meanings, to do and to make. It is used with the activities and sports followed by the preposition the. Okay, so whenever you are making any sentence and it has some sports in it or activities, so you will be always making the use of the article, the contracted article, that is du. Faire du sport. Okay, now it depends on the name of the sports. If it is feminine, you will be making use of the la. When it is masculine, it will be du. Okay, and when it is starting with the vowel, it will be del apostrophe, and when it is plural, it will be des. So je fais de l'aerobic. L'aerobic means what? The aerobics. So here it's starting with the vowel, so it will be de and l apostrophe. De l'aerobic. Je fais du jogging. Now jogging is masculine. When you say that, it is le jogging. So it is je fais du jogging. Je fais du jardinage. I do the gardening. Je fais de la natation. I do swimming. Je fais de la gym. Gym is a feminine, so it will be I do the gym. And je fais de la randonnée. Randonnée is trekking, so it is again feminine, it will take the la. Next is je joue. The verb jouer means to play. It is used with the sports and games that we play. The verb when used with sports and games is followed by the preposition a. Also we use jouer with musical instruments followed by the preposition the. So you have to know when you are making use of joue. Joue basically it means to play. So when you are playing with the playing any games or sports, it will be used with the article au with a plus. Okay, and when you are making use of the any of the instruments, so it will be the plus. Clear? So for example here je joue du piano. Why du? Because it is an instrument, so you will make use of je plus the verb joue and the plus. So it is piano being masculine, it will be je joue du piano. Je joue au cricket because cricket is masculine. Je joue au échecs. Okay, échecs means the chess, so it is in the plural form, so it will be aux, that is a plus les. Je joue au foot, meaning the football. Le joue au basket, again it's masculine, so it will be o. Je joue de la guitare. Now you have seen when it is sports or games, you are making a plus, and when it comes to instrument, it will be je joue the plus. So je joue de la guitare, je joue au jeu vidéo. Okay, so it is like video games we say. Clear? So when it is games, it will be aux, it's in the plural form. Is it clear? So moving on to the here it's a male. Nathalie qui habite à Lyon, who lives in Lyon. Lyon is a city in France. Envoie un mail à son amie Charlotte. So she is sending a mail to her friend Charlotte. The. Now here you have to know the is from and a is to. So the Nathalie Lyon à yahoo.français. A is Charlotte, that is to a yahoo.français. Okay, pour means point. So it is objet. Objet is the subject. Mes loisirs. Loisir means my hobbies. Salut, hi. Comment ça va? How are you? Merci pour ton dernier message. Thank you for your last message. À propos de tes loisirs means saying about your hobbies et de tes activités préférées and your preferred activities. Moi, je fais aussi beaucoup d'activités quand je suis libre. Moi means I also do many activities when I am free. Quand is when, and libre is free. Le weekend, the weekend, je vais avec mon frère I go with my brother au complexe sportif pour faire de la natation. Now this is the name of the complex, sports complex, where they do the natation, that is the swimming. Chaque matin, every morning, je fais du jogging avec mon père. Every morning I do jogging with my father. Le dimanche, je vais au cours de piano. The Sundays I go to the piano classes où j'apprends à jouer du piano, where I learn to play piano. Okay, now see, you all have to know à jouer du. When it is when you are talking about the instrument, it will be du. Clear? So where I learn to play piano. À l'école, pendant le récré. Récré is what? The recreation, when you get a break. Okay, so in the school during the recess, je joue au basket avec mes amis. I play basketball with my friends. Le soir means the evening. Après avoir fini mes devoirs. After having finished my devoir means the homework. Je vais au jardin. I go to the garden pour faire une promenade, for doing some walk. Okay, now when you are making use of promenade, it will be faire means to do some walking. Parfois is sometimes j'aide mon grand-père. I help my grandfather à faire du jardinage, to do some gardening. Et mon activité favorite is my favorite activity, c'est toujours faire du shopping, is always do some shopping avec mes amis, with my friends. Baiser is like kisses. Okay, Nathalie. Now here are the questions given. Répondez aux questions. Qui écrit ce mail et à qui? Means who write this mails and to whom. So this Nathalie écrit ce mail à Charlotte. Qu'est-ce que Nathalie fait le dimanche? Now what does she does in the Sundays? Le dimanche, Nathalie apprend à jouer du piano. Qu'est-ce que les amis font pendant la récré? Les amis jouent au basket pendant la récré. Means during the recess they play basketball. Est-ce que Nathalie aime faire du jardinage? Justifié. Oui, Nathalie aime faire du jardinage. Okay, now here justify you have to cancel because there is not like space. If you, just for your knowledge, I'll tell you why we have said that she likes to do the jardinage, that is the gardening, because what she has mentioned here, j'aide mon grand-père à faire du jardinage. So when it is justify, you have to write this answer. Okay, but since there is no place, I have not given the answer. Où Nathalie va-t-elle pour faire de la natation avec qui? Where does Nathalie go to do the swimming? With whom? Nathalie fait de la natation. Nathalie va au complexe sportif avec son frère. So she goes to the sports complex with her brother. Now, cocher la bonne réponse. Lily mange beaucoup pendant la récré. Okay, so it is like she eats lot during the recess. Vous assistez à votre cours de français. You attend your, assister is not to assist, it is to attend. So you assist your class, French class. Nancy joue au basket. Why it is joue au? Because joue is to play and jardinage is gardening. So you cannot play with the garden and you cannot play with the piano. For piano you have to make use of joue du. Okay, so it is joue au basket because it is a sport. Okay, so the next will be done in the exercise, and the teaching part will be done in the next video. Till then, à bientôt.